So this is how you can unarchive your Instagram stories. I'm gonna go ahead and open up Instagram and create a short story so that I can show you how to unarchive it. I'm gonna tap on your story and it's going to upload directly into my story. So let's go ahead and actually open this up and wait for it to upload. Once it's done, I'm gonna tap on more and then tap on archive. Once it's in our archive, we can go on ahead and tap on the three lines at the top right corner and then tap on archive. At the top, it says posts archive, but we're going to want to tap on that and tap on stories. As you can see, it's right here. So you're going to want to tap on it. And now you can do two things. You can either highlight it, like create a highlight for your profile and then put this in your highlights, or simply tap on more and then share as post. It's going to appear as a post on your profile and basically become a permanent thing on your profile. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.